I'm excited.
How to open it?
You open it right
On the top?
here. On the top.
Wait.
I open it. We can't get her out. Just take the scissors. Just cut it. There's some.
I'll cut it. I'll cut it, girl. Oops. Hang on.
You almost cut it.
I'll cut here. I'll cut. Oops. It's hard. She's got a rainbow hair. She's got a rainbow hair. Do you like rainbow hair, Thea? Do you like rainbow hair?
Baby, how do you get out? Open it right here and I get it out and pull it.
Oh no.
You pull it.
I'll cut the hair. No, not the hair. Whoop, let's rip it.
Rip it off.
There she is.
This printer.
What you gonna name her?
Twinkle. Twinkle.
She's got a rainbow hair.
Twinkle. Unicorn sparkles.
Wow, that's a long name. That's a long name, girl. Wait. Let's get. Oh, ding. Wait. We're gonna cut the one that's attaching on the other arm.
Cut.
No, and then on the. Sorry, baby.
Oh, this is the repeater here.
Can you get her out now?
Yeah.
Not yet.
We have to cut her binky. Oh! Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy.
You cut her hair.
Think one more. Wait.
Oh! Oopsie daisy.
Just one more here. Oh! I think she's out. She's out, girl. Oh, just one. Just one girl on the head. Not you. Get her out.
I can't get her binky.
Oh, one more on the body.
How we work?
Hang on, one more. Oh,
It can't work.
get it out.
Have to press it. It's got no batteries.
Need a battery?
No, there's a button right here. Weird.
Oh, show me.
Uh,
Turn at the back on her back of her head. Wait. Maybe I'll press it. Oh, this is the button.
the binky. Just get her bubbles out. Cutie. It's a cutie.
Yeah.
Yes, it. This feeder.
She's got a bottle.
Yeah. Mom, then the feed her.
Okay. She hungry?
Yeah.
Does she drink a milk? She drinking?
Yeah, she drank. Good girl.
Good girl. There she's got this.
Yeah, this will bubble.
It is a bubble.
Yeah, he's gonna be excited.
Up, 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 up.
Oh no. Oh, there's a puller too.
I just take this thing away. Oh, oh no.
Oh, you just broke the head. You just broke the head.
No. There you go. It's fixed. Oh no. Let's take it off there.
Yeah, this feel bubbles. Bubble pop, bubble pop, bubble pop, pop, pop.
Alright, where do we put this?
In her mouth.
In their mouth?
Yeah. I think so.
Are you sure? Wait. Let's have a look where to put the bubbles. Poppi girl.
Baby. You know sing? Yeah. Let's Oh, he's sleeping.
It's here, there. Wait. Oh. It's here. The back. Yeah.
He's sleeping. Shh. Oh, he's not saying. He's just awake.
How to put it?
Is he drinking? No. Okay, this. Is he drinking?
Make sure she's drinking.
Drinking?
Yeah.
Drinking. Yuck.
No, there's nothing there. Yeah. I'll put some.
Just squeeze it.
Yeah. Oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, it's too much. We put too much bubble.
It smells strawberry.
Is it?
Oh
It's
no,
not bubbling.
he's wet. He's wet.
Yeah. She's not bubbling.
Just stop her. He just dry her.
Wait. There, here, tissue.
He just ran more, and he's singing. He's almost in a broke.
Oh no. There's no bubble. Oh, there. Oh.
It's a bubble.
She's making a mess. That's a lot of bubbles.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Jesus, baby, you make a mess.
Press and hold for 1 second. Just press 1 second. Yeah. See? That's a lot of bubbles.
Yeah.
Stop it, baby. That's enough. Poppi, good girl. She listened to mom.
Me too.
Yeah. So you have to clean it up.
So many messes.
So many mess. You have to clean up your mess, baby. Or your mommy Taya will clean it. How's that sound, Taya?
Good.
Good?
I'm gonna dry my hands.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye.